Hi there, beloved. Did you know that I help people to recover from illness, disease, accidents, recovery from surgery, recovery from strokes, recovery from the loss of a loved one, recovery from the traumas and dramas of life. This is my specialty. And below, you can find out all of the ways that I am here to support you supernaturally and through our means of working together in ways that defy what other services on this planet currently offer. So I recognize that every single thing that happens to you upon your life's journey is actually here for a divine purpose. And when we work together, we not only discover what that divine purpose is, but we step into the absolute feeling, tone, and knowingness of the essence of love that exists in the midst of whatever you are facing. So if you are in recovery, if you are in restoration, I'm here to assist you. I send you my love and blessings, and I want you to know that you are never alone, even when you feel the most alone, and even when it appears that nobody is like physically right there with you. It's for a divine purpose, so that you can now awaken and open to the support that is here for you from within your own heart and within your own life. And there's no one to blame. There's nothing wrong. It's all already here waiting for you. And I show you how to get it. I send you so much love and blessings, and let you know you're not alone.